Since I don't got a fire going, I'm gonna use an old dog mushing trick to cook my food. So I've got an old tuna fish can and a bottle of heat. This is a fuel additive we put into gas tanks to keep them from freezing up in the wintertime. And it's mostly made out of isopropyl alcohol. Put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan. The advantage of burning alcohol is that it burns really clean. You can use it inside the tent like this, and it doesn't stink the place up. It doesn't make your food taste funny. Got some fresh Alaskan scallops here. Got some butter and garlic. Cranberry couscous and scallops cooked in garlic butter. That's pretty good. Scallops have to be my favorite seafood. I got a sweetened passion fruit jelly that I'm going to use to make some herbal tea. Oh, it's just passion fruit puree, a little bit of honey added to it. Man, it is so good.